how to turn on likes in-app notification on your TikTok. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this video. So let's start. First, you will just open your TikTok. Then when your TikTok is opening, you will just go and open your profile. Then when your profile is opening, you will just go here on this three line, then go to settings and privacy. After this, go to notification, click on it, then go to the second option, in app notification. Then you will have to turn on likes notification like this, and that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.